Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about mental health conditions in India because 70% of male and 29.5% of female between the age of 15 to 14% facing mental health issues in India. So that's why this topic was in news. So let's begin with the question. Recently, the mental health conditions among youngsters have been on rise. In such scenario, discuss how severe is this issue of mental health in India. We have to examine it. It means we need to provide the details about the examination of the whole question. We have to provide the details about the mental health conditions in India among youngsters and how it was so severe. Means what are the consequences and what are the factors responsible for this. So what are the government initiatives? You can also include them, and you can also include what are the measures which we need to take to overcome all these issues. Significance of this question is that can be asked in GS paper 2 under the headings of health, issues related to the disabilities, and the issues arising out about the design and implementation of policies. Our introduction would be, according to WHO, World Health Organization, mental health is defined as a state of well-being in which every individual realizes his or her own potential, can cope up with the normal stress of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make contribution to her or his community. But in recent time during pandemic, there is a rise in the mental health cases, especially among youngsters. As per the data of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, 70% of caller of to Kiran helpline, which is the helpline number 24/7, to help the people who are facing mental health issues, in which men are the majority callers between the age group of 15 to 40 years, in which 17.5 were males and 29.5% are females. Then what are the factors reason behind the mental health conditions? Psychological or emotional factors: loneliness, anxiety, depression, detachment from the loved ones, then weakening of social fabric, mental trauma which is related to emotional, sexual or physical abuse like rape and other kind of activities like it. Then chronic illness, domestic violence, relationship issues. Then what are the social factors? Unemployment and financial burden, excessive social regulations, homelessness, poverty, alcohol consumption and discrimination. For examples, there are some examples about the people. You can include them in your answer, like Sushant Singh Rajput, Naomi Osaka, Michael Jackson, Deepika Padukone even. Then what are the consequences? Lack of acceptance in the society, and they also face humiliation. Then increase to suicidal tendency in them. Then increase habit of drug or alcohol addiction, and some others. If you have details, then you can also include in comment section. Some government initiative taken by the government for the mental health care facilities to provide them. Mental Health Care Act 2017 decriminalized suicide. Mental health and normalcy augmentation system for 15 to 35 age group. Then Manodarpan, Ministry of Education to help students to avoid the depression and stress, also taken this initiative. Then Kiran helpline, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment 24/7 toll free number to provide support to the people who are suffering from the mental health conditions. They can easily call on that number, and even you have any problem like that, then you can also call on this number. Then what is the way forward? Need to provide knowledge awareness from the school level. Then social media, newspaper, movies, articles, advertisement play important role to avoid these kind of things. Then you can also include them. Then community participation, which is very very important, which needed. Family, school, college, institutions should come forward to tackle these issues. Then also provide counseling session periodically in institutions. Then WHO, World Health Organization, recently formed guidance on mental health, which include peer support, supported life, and community outreaches. Then you can also follow them. So our conclusion would be India is the youngest country in the world facing mental health issues, so government and public participation is needed for the need of the hour to resolve these issues. It will also help us to achieve sustainable development goal 3, which is good health and well-being. And there is some data about the India and the world. Let's see firstly about the India. Depression, anxiety on the rise. 4.5 crore of these had depressive disorders. Then 5 crore had anxiety disorder. 19.7 crore people had mental disorder in India in 2017 data. Then 4.7% the contribution of mental disorder to the total disability adjustment life years in India in 2017, up from 2.5% in 1990s. Then 33.8% depressive disorders, then 19% anxiety disorder, 10.8% idiopathic developmental intellectual disabilities, then 9.8% these are share in mental disorders. Then some statistics on mental illness about the world. According to World Health Organization, worldwide 300 million people with mental health issues. Then according to WHO, stress and depression cases increased by 18% in a decade, means in last 10 years. Estimated suggested that 60 million to 65 million persons have common mental issues in India. Then between 6.5 to 7% of the Indian population have mental health issues. Between 65,000 to 75,000 physio needed in India. Then between 1 crore and 2 crore persons in India have severe mental health issues such as schizophrenia and bipolar disorders. According to various estimates, expenditure on the mental health is only 0.06% of the GDP, which India need to increase. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.